If you'd like to see how much weight I lost or gained this week and some tips on how to deal with people that may sabotage your diet, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to start off with my weigh-in results. I had a week where I gained 0.9 of a pound, and I'm going to blame it on not tracking altogether. Being Easter week, so I had some extra goodies, and on those people that try to sabotage your weight loss. And I have them in my life. My husband, he likes to buy me goodies. He goes and buys donuts.
Hey Pats, look what I got for you. One of your favorites, a donut, cream filled. You know you're more fun when you eat. Just take a bite. Come on, do it for me. I know you're what to. Just take a little bite.
And says, just have one. It won't hurt you. Or you've been doing so good lately. Or you're more fun when you eat food.
Patty, you've lost enough weight already. You look great. I mean, what are you trying to do here? You got secret plans to dump me and find some other guy?
Those kind of things are diet sabotagers or saboteurs or whatever you want to call them. But they are the ones that don't want to help with your diet. And you really need people who support you when you're on a weight loss program. When you have someone that says, just try one little bite won't hurt you, they may not realize what you're going through or how hard it is to lose weight. Everybody doesn't understand us. I'll say us, but they don't understand how hard it is to lose weight and how hard it is to stay on track once you're doing those things that help you. And it's just those habits, those good habits that you keep doing every day and every week are the things that help your weight loss add up. And I know with me, I kind of, when I have like something like Easter where I take a break, I really need to get back on that next day, or I wish I would just stay on it, but I do have a tendency to go with those goodies that may be around, or the different food, or I guess I had a non-tracking day on Easter, so, and that hurts me because I was doing so well with Lent and not eating snacks, and then last week I had all those 0-point foods, and this week I didn't eat 0-point foods. I ate 8-point donuts. And why? Because my husband went out and bought me donuts. I wake up on Easter morning and what's there is a dozen of donuts. We have a power outage. He says, well, I don't have nothing else to do. He goes out and gets another dozen donuts. 2 dozen in 1 week. And I love donuts. But I did try to track them. Other than Easter Sunday, I did try to track them, but they did show up on the scale. It's hard when you have those people that try to sabotage your diet, and they may say, just try one thing.
Mommy, I made some fries. They're high carb and they're so yummy. You want one? Just have one. They're so good.
You're no fun since you don't eat, or you don't ever want to go out to eat because you're trying to eat healthy, and you really got to deal with these people. I say people. The best thing to do is probably just to explain to them that you are trying to eat healthy. I know I have a relative of mine. You know who you are. She watches my videos as she's eating cake and then sends me a picture of the cake. Or she pops candy in her mouth as she's watching my videos. and saying, I don't know how you have that willpower. Well, if I had all that food in my house, I probably wouldn't have the willpower. So my secret is to not have it in the house. And some of those people that want to sabotage, and I won't say sabotage your diet, but intentionally maybe, but they just unintentionally do it. Like I go on vacation and my niece will say, oh, well, you're on vacation, you can eat. And that's not the way it should be. When you're on vacation, well, yeah, you can have a little treat, but you should count it, because if you try to break those habits that you started, you're just going to end up in a maybe a downward spiral, because I know that has happened to me, where I break my good habits and then I just can't recover right away. So I got to put it in my mind that I am trying to stay on track and try to resist it. It sounds stupid, but I know a lot of food tastes like already. So sometimes I'll just smell it and then I don't eat it. But there's other times when I do like to partake of it. And those people that sabotage your diet, you have to deal with them. You really just have to say no. But sometimes that's hard. I mean, if there's people that want you to try something, you could put it aside and say, I'll try it later, and then throw it out in the garbage. Or you could just say, no, I don't want it. Maybe just explain to them how hard it is for you to lose weight, and you want to eat healthy, and you want to be fit. And instead of being mean about it, ask them for their help. Say, I'd really appreciate it if you would just help me. Maybe we could walk together, or maybe we could making a healthy meal for each other, taking a walk with them. Just recruit them on your team so you have support. It'll be good for them too if they try to take some healthy habits under their belt. And I think that's probably the best way, is just to recruit them to help if you can't say no. You can explain it to them, you can say no, or you can ask for their support. And kind of probably asking for their support will maybe put them on your side so that you can get through those diet saboteurs that may be in your life, whether it's coworkers or friends or family, whoever it may be. I mean, maybe their intention isn't bad. Maybe they're jealous. Maybe they want you to be the person you used to be. Could be any reason, but you can't let them stop your journey. Don't let them be an obstacle, because it could hurt when you let those people sabotage your diet. So that's what I wanted to say this week about diet sabotagers. So don't let them get to you. Please put a comment below if you have any diet sabotagers in your life and what you do to avoid it or to get through it. I really like to know what other people do when they try to sway you from your journey. If you like this week's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.